Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove subtitles from your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, you wanted text and you enabled the auto caption section. Whoops, forgot to unmute that. So I'm just going to generate captions. I'll just make the video a little bit shorter so that it's faster to generate. And to delete the subtitle is actually pretty simple. You're just going to go over it and press delete like that. Like select this area and then press delete. Or you can go to the one you just want to delete and then press backspace on that, or you can go to captions and you can easily delete it like this. Like select the one you want to delete and press delete. It is actually super simple to do. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.